Hey guys, welcome to Factopus. The Egyptian pyramids are ancient pyramids shaped masonry structures located in Egypt. And today, I'm gonna tell you some fascinating facts about it. So, if you are interested, continue watching this video. Egyptian pyramids had been built with care and thoughts, and to demolish these structures without the help of any machines would take years to complete. Some of the pyramids in Egypt are still standing tall with the little deterioration in their basic structures, and to see such geometrically sounded constructions built only with the material to hand at the time and without any knowledge of modern building techniques is of crucial historical significance. Some fascinating facts about the Egyptian pyramids are listed in this video, and I bet you that they'll give you goosebumps after listening to. Number 1. Egyptian pyramids were built to preserve tombs. The Egyptians had a very strong belief in the afterlife and thought the dead would continue to live as they had been on earth. This can be seen in the tradition of making an offer to the dead, including food, to help them to flourish in the afterlife. As the number of tombs increased, people felt the need to protect them. And this is how the concept of pyramids came from. Pyramids were mainly for the tombs and the pharaohs, and other less significant people had smaller kinds of pyramids called monas, way below the main pyramids to show their position in relation to the kings. Number 2. Slaves were not forced to build the pyramid. There is a long held belief that the construction authorities forced the pharaoh's servant to build the pyramid, but this is not true. Workers willingly volunteered to build the pyramids and were paid on a daily basis. They were also given complimentary food to keep them healthy and strong, in order to keep building the pyramids as the stones were heavy and they had little technology to help them. Number 3. The pyramids faced exactly due north. Another observation that was made about the pyramids was that they all pointed to the north and the pole star was precisely above the pyramid. Another fascinating fact is that the positioning of the pyramids resembled constellation, and it remained a mystery how the Egyptians were able to be so precise without any advanced knowledge in this field. Number 4. The Great Pyramid of Giza. What we now call the Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest and the greatest pyramid of 3 pyramids found there. This pyramid is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It was built for Pharaoh Khufu. It contains chambers specially made for the king and the queen, the robber's tunnel, a modern opening gate, the grand gallery, and a huge void deep inside the pyramid. Approximately 2.3 billion rocks were used to make this pyramid, but its precise dimensions are difficult to work out as they are in Egyptian units. There are not many other pyramids that are as intriguing as the Giza pyramid, making it a favorite tourist destination. Most of the government's revenue from tourism is due to popularity of this pyramid. Number 5. The Jewel. The pyramids were made of local limestone that was available in abundance in Egypt, and the outsides were highly polished. These stones were used to sparkle the sunlight, making the pyramid shine like a jewel. They could be seen from the mountains of Israel, and some people speculate that they could have been seen from the moon as well. The other special feature about these pyramids was that although the sun was very hot outside, the temperature inside the pyramid remained constant at 20 degrees Celsius, acting as a giant air conditioning unit. Number 6. The doors of the pyramid weighed up to 20 tons. The doors of the pyramid were very heavy. Only Egyptians may know how to open these great doors. In fact, the doors were so heavy that they were almost unidentifiable as doors, as they did not open easily at all. Their opening mechanism was only discovered when the Great Pyramid was being studied by scientists who realized that they were huge swivel doors. The door had a strange feature of being very easy to open with just one hand from the inside, but almost impossible to open from the outside. How the Egyptians were able to balance these 20-ton doors in order to create this effect remain a mystery. Number 7. The pyramids contain tunnels and mysterious boxes. Tunnels were discovered beneath the Giza pyramids, and this shows that the Egyptians had mastered this building technology way before we rediscovered it. As well as tunnels, boxes that were cut with great precision were also found. Each of these boxes weighed as much as 100 tons. Many believed that they were meant for burying bulls, but no evidence of bulls inside the pyramids has ever been found, so this theory cannot be proved. Number 8. The stones were heavier than elephants. The stones that were used to build the pyramids were almost 10 tons each, heavier than an elephant in other words. How they were able to lift these stones up to the height of pyramids remain a mystery, and it is still being researched by scientists. The pyramids rise to about 203 steps, and each of the stones have been placed with astonishing precision and still stand strong today. Number 9. It took 200 years to build a pyramid. A lot of time and efforts was required to build these beautiful pyramids, each one averaging about 2 centuries. About 138 pyramids were built in ancient Egypt, and their beauty lies not only in their construction but also in the phenomenal amount of thoughts that went into their positioning in relation to the stars. Number 10. Every pyramid had been robbed of its treasure by 1000 BC. The Egyptians believed that their pharaohs should be buried along with their treasure and sometimes even their slaves. Hence, gold, jewelry, clothes, etc. were put in the tombs with the mummies. However, over the years, rulers of other kingdoms have destroyed the pyramids and taken these jewels and valuables back to their own respective kingdoms. Although the pyramids are very hard to damage, smaller pyramids were targeted and their riches plundered. One such example of this can be seen in the Great Pyramid of Giza. There is an evidence of failed break-in, and the deep hole that was made in the pyramid structure is still visible today. The construction of these pyramids is just so incredible that much research has gone into how to make equivalent strong structures today. The mortar used is still unknown, and scientists have not even been able to determine where the mortar came from. It is astonishing that the ancient Egyptians could create buildings with such precision, and this careful, intelligent level of constructions can be seen in other monuments in Egypt as well, not just the pyramids. Without the help of machinery, and even before the invention of the wheel, they achieved as much as modern man is able to do today. So, this is all about the Egyptian pyramids. Hope you like the information I have collected for you. If you do, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss out the valuable notifications that are always worth watching. Also, hit the like button and share this video to your friends. And now, it's the time for the question of the day. And the question is, which is the most famous pyramid of the ancient Egypt? The answer for this question is given on our Instagram account, but first, try to answer it yourself. See you guys in the next one.